How to play Fortnite without signing in. When you first download Fortnite on your Xbox or PlayStation consoles, you'll get to a screen like this where it says link an account. If you go through here, it will give you a code. Then it will say you can link your Epic Games account. But if you don't have one or don't want to sign in with it, you can back out from this. Go to skip this by pressing X on the Xbox or square on the PlayStation. That will get you to this screen here where it will say go back. Are you sure? Then you can go ahead and click on the no thanks play Fortnite. There it will send you through to be able to put in your date of birth. So you'll skip all the steps of having to link your Epic Games account, create a new account, etc. on your Xbox or PlayStation. So you just go ahead and type in your date of birth here. Once you've typed it in, you can go ahead and click on continue. Then it will take you through the steps. If, for instance, when you go into your PlayStation or Xbox and it instantly logs into your account, all you have to do is delete Fortnite, then re-download it, then get to this screen here, and then you don't need to download it if that's what you want to do. That's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped. Subscribe for more helpful videos.